Ever wondered what it'd be like to mine cryptocurrency from your phone? Enter PiCoin, a novel project that's been causing a stir in the crypto world. Just download the app, tap a button daily, and voila, you're earning Pi. It's not wizardry, but pretty close. Now, you might have heard about the much-anticipated Mainnet launch. Up until now, Pi has been in a test run phase, but the Mainnet is like the grand opening, the moment when Pi steps into the real world. This could mean using your Pi to purchase goods or even trade it for other cryptocurrencies. Exciting, right? The team behind Pi has circled June 28, 2024 in their calendars for this big event. But as with all things tech, this date could shift, so stay alert for any updates. The Mainnet launch could be the start of something big for Pi. Imagine seeing more apps accepting Pi, potential partnerships with major companies, and maybe even a tangible value for your Pi coins. But remember, this is still early days for Pi, and the world of crypto can be unpredictable. So, should you join the Pi network? Well, that's entirely your call. It costs nothing to join, and you might end up with something valuable. But always do your homework, understand the risks, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. To sum it all up, the Mainnet launch of PiCoin is an exciting development to watch. Stay savvy, tread carefully, and never forget to have fun exploring the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. If you have any burning questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep delving into the digital.